Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator or just someone who loves to capture life's moments, you know that having the right vlogging camera can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the best vlogging cameras of 2025 that will elevate your storytelling game to new heights. From stunning image quality to versatile features, we'll cover all the top picks that are perfect for beginners and seasoned vloggers alike. And guess what? If you see a camera you love, we've made it super easy for you to check them out. Just head down to the description below, where you'll find Amazon links to all the cameras we discussed today. Number 5. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is an exciting addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, designed specifically for content creators and vlogging enthusiasts. This compact yet powerful camera boasts a 20.9mm APS-C sensor, delivering stunning image quality and vibrant colors that are perfect for both photos and videos. One of its standout features is the ability to shoot 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second, ensuring that your footage is sharp and professional looking. The camera also includes a variety of creative modes and effects, allowing users to experiment and enhance their storytelling. Additionally, the Z30 offers a fully articulating touchscreen, making it easy to frame shots from various angles and ensuring that you can keep yourself in the frame while recording. The camera's lightweight design, coupled with its robust build quality, makes it an ideal companion for on-the-go creators. Its user-friendly interface and customizable controls ensure that both beginners and experienced photographers can easily navigate through its features. Battery life is another strong point, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the constant worry of running out of power. Moreover, the Z30 supports Nikon's extensive Z-mount lens ecosystem, granting users access to a wide range of high-quality lenses to suit any shooting scenario. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10 II. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a remarkable addition to the growing lineup of content creation cameras designed specifically for vloggers and aspiring filmmakers. Building on the success of its predecessor, the ZV-E10, this updated model enhances usability and performance, making it an attractive option for those looking to elevate their video production quality. One of the standout features of the ZV-E10 II is its impressive 24.2MP APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and allows for exceptional low-light performance. This sensor captures vibrant colors and fine details, ensuring that your content stands out, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or dimly lit environments. Coupled with Sony's renowned autofocus technology, including real-time eye autofocus, the camera ensures that your subject remains sharp and in focus, even during fast-paced action. The ZV-E10 II also boasts an array of video capabilities that cater to the needs of modern content creators. It supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, giving you the flexibility to create cinematic quality footage. For those who prefer slow motion, the camera can shoot in full HD at up to 120 FPS, providing stunning slow motion effects that add a professional touch to your videos. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a powerful mirrorless camera that builds upon the success of its predecessors by offering a unique blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. With its impressive 26.1mm X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, the X-S20 captures stunningly detailed images with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range, making it suitable for everything from casual photography to professional work. One of the standout features of the X-S20 is its ability to shoot 4K video at up to 30 FPS, allowing creators to produce high-quality content with ease. The camera also includes a variety of film simulation modes, allowing photographers to replicate classic film looks and styles, which is a hallmark of Fujifilm's design philosophy. The new Eterna Bleach Bypass mode, for example, offers a unique aesthetic that is perfect for more artistic projects. In terms of ergonomics, the X-S20 is designed with a compact and lightweight body that makes it easy to carry around, perfect for travel or street photography. The camera features an intuitive touchscreen interface that provides quick access to settings and menus, enhancing usability for both beginners and experienced photographers alike. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH7. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is a standout mirrorless camera that builds upon the success of its predecessors, continuing the GH series legacy of delivering exceptional video and photographic capabilities. Known for its versatility, the GH7 is designed to cater to both professional videographers and photography enthusiasts alike. One of the camera's most notable features is its ability to shoot in 4K resolution, offering stunning clarity and detail for video content. The GH7 also incorporates advanced autofocus technology, ensuring that subjects remain sharp and in focus even during fast-paced shooting scenarios. Additionally, its impressive low-light performance allows for creativity in challenging lighting conditions, making it a reliable choice for various shooting environments. The GH7 boasts a robust build quality designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor shooting. With weather sealing and durability enhancements, users can take it into diverse environments without fear of damage. The camera also features a fully articulating touchscreen, providing flexibility for framing shots from different angles, whether you're shooting vlogs or capturing dynamic scenes. In terms of connectivity, the Lumix GH7 is equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing for seamless sharing of images and videos to smartphones or tablets. This feature enhances workflow efficiency, enabling quick uploads and remote control options. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 represents a significant leap forward in the realm of vlogging and content creation. Designed with the needs of content creators in mind, this compact camera combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. At its core, the ZV-E1 boasts a large full-frame sensor that enhances low-light performance and delivers stunning image quality with rich colors and impressive dynamic range. This allows creators to produce professional-grade videos even in challenging lighting conditions, ensuring that every shot looks its best. One of the standout features of the ZV-E1 is its impressive autofocus system. With fast and accurate eye-tracking capabilities, the camera ensures that subjects remain sharp and in focus, even when moving. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers who often film themselves on the go, allowing them to concentrate on their content rather than adjusting settings mid-shoot. Moreover, the ZV-E1 includes a flip-out touchscreen that enables easy framing and monitoring, making it easier to capture creative angles and maintain visibility during recording. The intuitive interface further simplifies the shooting process, enabling users to navigate through settings and modes without hassle.